All right, y'all, I'm back with another video. I know it's been a minute, but I'm gonna try to make more videos. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a the French tip evil eye situation. So I'm gonna be using Kiara Sky Renewed Pure White top coat and base coat. So this set I'm making is for a press-on order. So I do press-on nails. You guys can check out my Etsy shop, Jody Nailed It, to see what I got up there. So basically, I'm just going in with the base coat, and I do one coat of base coat on all of the nails and put them under the UV lamp. I usually do a minute for base coat. I don't like it when it's super sticky. So now I'm going in with the Renewed Kiara Sky, and this polish is very, very light. It's very, very nude, so it's to your liking. You could do one coat of this and that could be like your jam, but I did about 3 coats of this and that was my jam because I wanted to see the nude. I wanted the nude to talk to me. I didn't want it to be like a clear nude. I wanted it to be like a sexy nude, you know? So this is what the Renewed looks like after one coat. And you guys see what I'm saying? Like, it's super clear. Like, you can see through the nail. I'm not a fan of that, especially for press-on nails. Like, when you put your press-ons, you don't want to be able to, like, see the nail bed. I mean, maybe if that's, like, the look that you're going for. But if I'm not having, like, clear acrylic nails, I don't really want that to be seen, you know? Anyways, so I'm using this little magnet nail holder thingamabob that I got from Amazon. So I'll put the link to that in the description box. I'll also put the link to these nail polishes that I'm using in the description box. Now, this is what it looks like after 2 coats. I could have stopped here, but I just wanted like a little bit more coverage. So I did go ahead and do a 3rd coat. So this is how it looks after 3 coats. So now I'm going in with my Kiara Sky Pure White Gel Polish. And I am also getting this little glass thingamabob. I got that from Amazon too. I'll put the link in the description box because I cannot figure out what that is called. But anyways, so I just put the nail polish on the glass thing so I can just like pick the nail polish up from that with my little design brush. Also got this from Amazon. It's not the best brush. I actually would recommend getting a better brush to do this because this little cheap brush didn't really give me the defined lines that I actually wanted. So I would suggest a better brush. But anyways, so you take some of the white and you basically make a V. You want to line up each side and meet the V in the middle. That's like the goal. And then you just can fill in the sides in the middle. So now I'm going in with my blues. So I got these gel polishes on Amazon as well. Comes in like a 6-pack with 6 different shades of blue. Some are glitter, some are not. But I'm going to use the dark blue and the light blue for the evil eye look that I'm going for. And of course, Kiara Sky White. And I am using the same brush that I used, but I'm using the other side of it. I'm using the tip of it. So you want to do the same thing you did with the white. So just put your colors that you're using in order on the glass palette. And then you take your brush, so it's a circular end of the brush that you're going to use so it's basically a dotting tool. So use your dotting tool or the circular end of the brush to make the circles. So you just take the end of your brush, dip it in the color that you're using, and just make a dot. So for the first dot, you want to make a couple of dots within the dot just to expand it. You want the first dot to be a little bit bigger than the dots that you're going to do moving forward. This design is actually easier than it looks. To the naked eye, it looks like it's like a complicated thing, but it is super easy, guys. So as long as you follow the directions correctly, you'll be perfectly fine. So just as many nails as you want. I don't know if you're doing all the nails. I don't know where you're placing the eyes. Wherever you want to put them, just take the dotting tool, make the dot, and make little dots within the dot to expand your first blue dot. So this is very important. Make sure you cure in between each dot. So now I'm going in with the light blue dot, and I'm just making a simple little dot into the blue dot that I already made. That's why it's important to cure in between so the colors don't blend together. So make sure it's completely dry before you put the other color on top. Also, make sure you clean the dotting tool between each color, between each layer, between each use, because you don't want to have any color transfer. So now I'm going in with the white, making another small dot in betwixt the blue dots that we just made. I just want to make sure I say this again. Don't forget to clean the dotting tool and cure the nails in betwixt each color. We don't want no runny colors, no colors running together. I mean, if that's the look you're going for. But for the evil eye, we don't want anything messing with our look, right? So just make sure you cure in between each layer because you don't want it running all together. So now I'm going to put a little bit of black on my glass palette because we need to finish off the eye. So when you're doing this black, like the slightest of a dot, like don't put any pressure on it. Just literally just touch your brush with it, like a slight tap, and that's it. So now you want to add your top coat. I'm using the Kiara Sky No White top coat, and I'm just going to coat one layer on all of the nails and then cure it for a full minute. Also, I did cure the dots for 30 seconds to a minute before I added the next layer. So sometimes when you use a lot of nail polish, it can change the shape of the nail. So I just like to go back and reshape them just so they can, because the whole nail is really the shape of the nail. If the shape is off, then the nail is off. So you want to make sure you reshape them, because nail polish can change the shape of nails and make them a little bulky. Anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and all of that. I am going to try to post more content. Please bear with me. Stay tuned. But this is the end result of the nails. You guys can check it out on etsy.com/Jody Nailed It. You guys can also check me out on Instagram at Jody Nailed It. That's JodyNailedit. So I'll see you guys there. Thanks for watching. Toodles.